Bauchi State don carry thank you Waka meet PNB when him take launch the 23.5 billion naira World Bank assisted upgraded Bauchi Township water supply scheme. Governor for Bauchi State, Senator Bala Mohammed, don tok say the state don get ogbonge benefits for education, youth empowerment, agro-processing, infrastructure and housing scheme under Presido Buhari administration. Bala yarn dis one for you do well visit when him deputy governor, Senator Babatella, traditional rulers and other sons and daughters for the state carry Waka on Wednesday for presidential villa for Abuja. The governor con hail Presido Buhari when he take tanda Federal College of Education for Jumari, Air Force Institute of Technology Complex for Tafawa Balewa, Federal Government Science and Technical College for Misar, and Federal University of Health, Nutrition and Medical Sciences for Azare.
In the areas of infrastructure and services, it was the Ministry of Finance through your own guidance that gave us about 12 billion naira to build 2,500 housing in Bauchi, and we build them across the Emirates. I know the emirs would have told you directly if they have the opportunity of thanking you, because for the first time we have affordable housing in all the Emirates. Other areas where we must express gratitude is your insistence and priority on oil and gas exploration in the Benue Trough, where Bauchi has been and Gombe has been put on the map.
Presido Buhari come praise the governor when him take fit carry powerful delegation come visit am. He come promise to chook eye for the state government request for him to complete the ongoing federal government projects wey need attention sharply.
And I appreciate that you have reported me to your emirs for the job that I must see completed before I leave here. Thank you very much for the reminder.
Governor Bala Konya three people say na blessing in disguise as Presido no gree sign the amended Electoral Act 2022.
We have to manage it. I think the less the merrier as somebody who is in the election. When I have less delegates to go and woo, it is better for me than all these 4,000, 5,000 that I will be going to. Exactly, that's my feeling.
Make una sabi say the Bauchi State Governor dey run to be Naija Presido for the 2023 elections under PDP. Ebu Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.